Okay, so guys, a lot of you have asked me about my trading setup, and I would like to show you exactly what I have uh, coded. So I have not coded everything by myself. So I picked up a lot of ideas from other TradingView members, but I have compiled them into one technical setup which I am using for my trading. Now, as you can see, all these are automated signals. Let me tell you what all I use. So I use in terms of indicators. Now pay attention to the left, the candles. In terms of indicators, it is ATR, RSI, the Bollinger Band, and a technical indicator which I have created, which tells me whether I should trade on a day or not. Uh, so that is the TCP, top central pivot minus the bottom central pivot. Next, okay, so we'll follow the candles a little. Okay, so I use the super trend also. The super trend has just two super trends, in fact. They have just given an indicator that we need to sell now, so they are correct. Then we have the moving averages. The one in gray is the 200 period moving average, the one in yellow is the 20 period moving average, and the one in red and blue is the 50 period moving average. And we are currently on the 10-minute time frame. Then I have coded a confluence indicator which tells me whether I should take a call, whether I should buy or sell. It's not working as per my thought process, but it works sometimes. Right now, it has told us to sell at 37,820, and there we are selling. But let's see whether it has given us the perfect results. So, in addition to this, I also use the pivots, as you may have already seen. Now, the pivots. So I use the central pivot range. If you don't know what the central pivot range is, you can look up the central pivot range on Google, and then I have coded a table. Now this table is the multi time frame indicator for any stock or index. Now, currently, since we are watching the bank Nifty, it has all the way from 5 minute to the monthly. So here, as you can see in the last column, it has 5, 10, 15, 30, 60, etc. Now it tells me what are the various time frames telling me. So other than the 4 hour, everything else is telling me that it is a down day as of now. Uh, it is so what that actually also tells us that if we want to take a trade, it should be a sell trade, not a buy one. So again, our sell indicator has given us an indication that we should sell, and there we come to a next day. Again, start of the next day. Let's see what this one tells us. Again, the whether to trade or not indicator says that we shouldn't because it's red over here. So we wait and see if we can find something worthwhile. It is at the previous day low here, and it has reversed from the previous day low and come to the bottom central pivot and to the central pivot. Again, it is meandering over there and not doing anything special, which is one of the reasons why we shouldn't trade on days like these. Oh, so we have a sort of a buy signal, but it's not coming out clearly. So let's wait. Nope, it's not able to cross the 200 period moving average. So the reason for sharing this is that I would like you people to tell me whether this is a good setup and what all can be improved. I would be very happy to take feedback on this. And if there is anyone who would like to know something about this, I'm willing to help there also. So thank you guys. Do give me a feedback.